Hello everyone. So far we have discussed what is if condition, what is else if condition, and how it will work and everything. Okay, so for example, I have another variable called 25. So in case what I need to do in case if I want to check multiple conditions here. Okay. Before that, you need to know we have few logical operators. Okay, so which is nothing but logical operators. This and or not. So we are going to use these three logical operators in our if and else conditions. So how are we going to do that? Okay, so let's remove the everything here. Okay, so when and is used. Okay, so let's see in the Python idle. Okay, let's see it here itself, no problem. Okay, I'm going to write a condition if a greater than b and a greater than c, then print a is bigger than b and c. Something is coming up, something is wrong with the program. Okay, so nothing is wrong with our program. The reason why it is not printing anything, you could see a greater than b, a greater than b, 10 is equal to 10. It is not satisfied because 10 is not greater than 10, it is equal. So we could have put a greater than or equal, or else let's have a different values here. Let's check a greater than b, which will return 10 greater than 15, which is false. Okay, and a greater than c, which is true. So true and false combination, it is always a false. Okay, before that, just know something. Before you're going to boolean methods and all, you need to know few things. True and false equal to it's a false. Okay, and true and true is equal to it's a true. Okay, and true or false equal to true, and false and false is equal to true. Okay, sorry, which is false. Okay, so make sure you're following all those things. Okay, so what will happen here? See the scenario: a greater than b, which is false, and a greater than c, which is true. False and true combination, it is a false, so it won't execute this. Okay, let's write another else if condition, or else for now just write a else. B or C greater than A. See, B or C greater than A. Okay, so let's try some other conditions. What will happen if I put or? Because we know the false and true, it's a false, but when you're using or, so it is expecting either one has to be true. If either one is true, which is true. Okay, so now we have a false and true condition, and false or true. It is always true. Let's run this. B are greater than C. Saved it. Okay, B or C is greater than. Okay, so we are getting B or C greater than A. The reason is A greater than B, 10 greater than 15, it's a false, and 10 greater than 25, it is also false. So what we can do is, let's modify the F data to 5. Let's run this. See, A is bigger than B and C. The reason, 10 greater than 15, it's a false, but 10 greater than 5, it is a true. So either one is true, this block will be executed. Okay, so let's have some let's use some multiple else if conditions. Okay, I'm going to check A greater than B and A greater than C, then A is greater than B and C, and you know how you write else if. This is a syntax, and here we are going to say B greater than A and B greater than C. That means B is greater than A and C, else C is bigger than A and B. So before executing that method, let's verify the results. Okay, A greater than B, which is 10 greater than 15, which is false, and here we have AND condition. If both are true, then only this will be executed. The first one is false, then you don't have to check the second one. Let's see B greater than A, which is true because 15 greater than 10, and B greater than Z, which is 5 greater than 5, sorry, 15 greater than 5, which is also true. So in this scenario, this particular piece of code will be executed because B is bigger in the three numbers. See, B is bigger than A and C. Let's modify the value of C, make it to 25. Can you guess what will happen? Obviously, the third block will be executed, which is C is, oh, something is wrong. So what is gone wrong? Nothing is wrong. It is executed. C is bigger than A and C. Yeah, that is correct. Yeah, that came into the third condition. This is how we are going to write AND condition. So make sure whenever you are using AND condition, the both has to be true. So then it becomes true. If any one is false, it becomes false. But the same scenario, in case when you are using OR condition, either one true, that falls into true. Okay, so I'm going to do another two examples here with the help of OR condition. Okay, so I have a C is equal to 10 and D is equal to 25. So I'm going to check if A greater than 5, A greater than 5, or A greater than B, print A is bigger. Okay, so what I'm checking, A greater than 5 or A greater than B. I'm expecting A greater than 5. What is, it is not A because we need to use C and D. Okay, C greater than 5. In this scenario, C is greater than 5, that is true. So it doesn't need to check the second condition because either one is true, because since it's an OR, it will be true. Okay, so it will print C is bigger. Correct? C is bigger. Okay, let's try something else as well. C greater than 25 and C greater than D, which is also C is bigger in A. It's not C. What happened? C greater than 25. C greater than 25. 10 greater than 25, which is false, or C greater than 25. Sorry, C greater than D, which is also a false. So it won't execute because both are false. It's fall into a false, as we see here. Okay, so let's make it simple. C greater than D, or keep it the same. C greater than 10 and C greater than D. or I'm going to write another condition, else if it's not else if, it's elif. So d greater than or equal to 25 or d greater than c, print d is bigger. So d is 25 or d greater than c. Here d is bigger. The reason is d greater than 25 or d greater than c. D greater than or equal to 25, which is true. And you don't have to check the second condition because the first condition is true, and following that it's a or condition. Either one true, it is becomes the true. Okay. So we know how to use and condition, how to use or condition. Let's see how to check not condition. Okay, I can check equals. I can check or and. Let's see in which scenario we are going to use the not condition. E 15 and f equal to 25. If E equal to f, print both numbers are same, and else not same numbers. Okay, let's see what happened. Not same numbers. Okay, why? Because E is 15 and F is equal to 25. Okay, let's see, modify that, and if both are equal, and I'm going to check both numbers are same. Okay, but in case if you want to check whether if both are not equal, what are you gonna do? There are multiple ways of doing that. You can simply do the exclamatory symbol, which is also useful to help the not condition. Not same numbers. Okay, the condition is a bit wrong. Not equal and same numbers. Okay, so I'm checking E not equal to F, so then both are not same. Let's execute it. Both numbers are not same. Okay, but this is not on not is this is not the only way to do that. This is the equals. It will execute not same numbers, and there's another way. You can use something like this as well. This also will work. Both are not same. This will return true. E is equal to no. E is equal to F, which is false, not false. Not false means it is a true. So both numbers are not same. Okay. So while to check not condition, either you can use the exclamatory symbol or not keyword. Okay. Okay, and you can do it in other way also, like E not equal to F, and you can see not this will return false, not false. Not false means it becomes false, so it will go to the else part. Okay, so it's a bit confusing while doing in the beginning. So the simple ways to do that, just try with different scenarios, okay, and get practice. So that will be easier way to understand the if else condition, because there are a lot of different scenarios where we can check the if, not, or, and logical operators as well. Okay, so thank you guys, and next video we'll be discuss about the data structures which is contained the list, and how to we are working with the list and the different ways the data into different ways to add a data into a list and tuples and other data structure functionalities. Okay, thank you guys, and go through and let me know if you guys have any clarifications. Thank you.